Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf from Techdroids, and in today's video let's talk about the OnePlus 7. It's right around the corner and now is the time to make a leaks and rumors video because there are a lot of them around the web right now about its design, its specs, features, cameras, release date, pricing and things like that. So in this video let's round them up and let's talk about everything we know about the OnePlus 7 and what is changing from the OnePlus 6T. Also, you can check out my OnePlus 6T review, unboxing, whatever, in the description down below. It'll also be linked here, so if you want to go check that out, please do. And in this video, let's talk about the OnePlus 7. And with that being said, let's get started. So starting off with the one big change, and that's going to be a major one, it's going to be on the display side. There's going to be no notch, no water droplet notch, no dewdrop notch, no punch hole. None of that business. OnePlus is going full on bezel-less. They're going to have a minimal chin and very slim side bezels, but they're achieving that with a pop-up camera. Taking that inspiration from the Vivo and Oppo phones. They're going to use a pop-up camera for selfies and things like that. And also they're eliminating the earpiece, and the display itself will vibrate, the piezoelectric technology. So there's no notch, nothing's going to annoy your experience with the display. And the display resolution itself is not going to increase, it's still going to be Full HD plus. So again, no Quad HD here, sorry says OnePlus. And also the display size is going to increase from 6.4 to 6.5 inches. Not a huge change, but still, again, it's welcome. Bigger display means just better immersion and just better experience while doing media and games and things like that. Also, the specs powering the display will be really good. They're going to be top notch, the best you can get in 2019. So the Snapdragon 855, 6, 8 or even 12 gigabytes of RAM in the top end or special edition models, and also you'll have 128, 256 or 512 gigabytes of storage. There's not going to be a terabyte storage variant. OnePlus is doing that to just keep the cost down and make this device more affordable. There's going to be no micro SD expansion, but the battery capacity might go up to 4000 mAh as the rumors suggest. But again, anywhere from 3700 to 4000 is good because OnePlus has some really good battery optimization. Again, Oxygen OS on top of Android 9.0 Pie should be pretty speedy and pretty efficient. Now talking about the cameras, again, changes over there. Triple camera setup on the back, no ultra wide angle and no telephoto. That's the news, that's the leaks. There's going to be a normal 20 megapixel sensor. There's also going to be a 48 megapixel sensor for better low light shots and things like that, and also a 5 megapixel depth sensor. And it's going to be a gimmicky triple camera in my opinion. Plus should include at least a wide angle or a telephoto camera to give some versatility, some functionality to the camera. But again, OnePlus cameras have never been the best, and OnePlus 7 is going to be no exception. And also OnePlus phones are for the people who want to skip on the little features. Things like wireless charging, water resistance, and also headphone jack is not there. They don't try to include all those bells and whistles. It's just going to be the phone. There's no micro SD expansion, and they try to cut down on all the little features to keep the cost down. But if you want those small features, you have to go to the premium flagships, the Galaxy S10s, the iPhones of the world. But the OnePlus phones are for the people who just want the core functionality of the phone: camera, display, power, battery life, and things like that. And OnePlus 7 is going to do that at a very cheap price. Starting at $569, OnePlus 7 is going to be a very competitive device in 2019. And it's going to give, the Galaxy S10s and the iPhones of the world a run for their money. And in my opinion, the OnePlus 7 is going to be a really good device. It's going to be really good looking. Design is going to be good. It's going to be powerful. Display and camera wise, again, it's going to be average. But you should wait for it and you can save some money and still get the flagship experience. And that's been it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Those are my thoughts on the OnePlus 7, and I'll do an unboxing and a color comparison and reviews when it actually comes out in India. Thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, go ahead and smash the like button. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.